Hi, this is Tammy, Sankofa Travel Her, and this is Black History Untaught. Beverly Lorraine Greene is believed to have been the first African American woman licensed to practice architecture in the United States. Greene was born on October 4, 1915 in Chicago, Illinois. Greene first made history by becoming the first Black female to earn a Bachelor's of Science degree in Architectural Engineering from the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign in 1936. A year later, she furthered her education at Illinois by earning a master's degree in city planning and housing. After graduation, Greene returned to Chicago in 1938 and was one of the first few African Americans to work with the Chicago Housing Authority. In 1942, Greene, at the age of 27, registered with the state of Illinois and therefore believed to be the first licensed African American female architect in the United States. Greene found it difficult to find work in Chicago due to discrimination. In 1945, Greene moved to New York City to work on a housing project in Lower Manhattan funded by the Metropolitan Life Insurance Company. Greene was hired for the project and was the first architect to earn the position. However, Greene had a desire for learning and left the assignment to accept a scholarship that allowed her to earn a master's degree in architecture from Columbia University on June 5, 1945. Greene's projects include Ida B. Wells' housing project, Carson Perry Scott, Sarah Lawrence College, a theater at the University of Arkansas, Unity Funeral Parlor, and the United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization headquartered in Paris, France. Greene helped design buildings for New York University, but passed away on August 22, 1957, before it was completed. Greene was only 41 years old. Her obituary appeared in several magazines, including the Chicago Defender, Atlanta Daily World, and Jet Magazine. Greene's memorial service was held at the Unity Funeral Home in New York City that she designed in 1953. Beverly Lorraine Greene paved the way for many African American women who wanted to pursue a career in architecture. If you want to learn about more heroes and sheroes of Black history, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and remember, Black history is more than 28 days.